Alrighty, here we go. Okay, I got some permission from the fish family here to go out and ride on this field. We're going to see what this looks like here. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Welcome, class, to this beautiful fall day. I'm out here on my motorcycle. I've got lots of trees out here looking gorgeous. And I've got permission from the fish family to borrow this field for a second. So, we're going to talk about positive and negative integers. And for me, it's always a positive when I can keep my wheel up. Oh, see, that just wasn't very far. That was just a really short section. You see that? Alright, so we're going to want to try that again. Longer, wasn't very high, but it was longer. So here we go. I'm in first gear. I'm going to shift a second, and woohoo! Not too bad, not too bad. So we're going to count off the seconds that I had that wheel in there. That's going to be our positive integer, and then we're going to count off the negative is going to be how long I'm actually traveling. Alright, so positive's up in the air. And negative is when I'm on the ground. What is the measurement? So, first, and we're going to try that again. Second gear seemed to give me a bit farther. Alright, so here we go. Not too bad, not too bad. I just can't have a really long time because I just don't have much place to work with. But it's sure fun.